I'm going to teach you AutoCAD software for beginners. This is the ground floor plan that we will create for the project. First, open AutoCAD software. You need to save the file on your computer. I named it House Construction in my file. First, we will start with the living room area. Use the line command for the lines. Enter the vertical dimension as 3400 and enter the horizontal dimension as 3000. Now, you need to add the wall thickness. The wall thickness is 200, so use the offset command to enter 200. You can type the shortcut command O for offset. Use the fillet command to join the two lines. You can type F for the fillet. Next, we will create the bedroom area using the offset command. The vertical offset dimension is 3800 and the horizontal offset dimension is 3600. You can use the fillet command to join the two lines just as before, and offset 200 for wall thickness. Next, we will create a sit-out area. The horizontal dimension of the sit-out is 2500 and the vertical dimension is 2000. You can trim the line with the trim command or type TR as a shortcut for the trim command. The horizontal dimension of the dining hall is 4,500 and the vertical dimension is 5,200. Now we need a toilet for the bedroom. The horizontal dimension is 2250 millimeters and the vertical dimension is 1500 millimeters. The toilet door opening is 800 millimeter. Next, we are going to make the kitchen area. The kitchen dimensions are 3500 by 3500. You can trim the line with the trim command or type TR as a shortcut for the trim command. The kitchen door opening is 1000 millimeter. The bedroom door opening is also 1000 millimeters. The other bedroom's dimensions are 3500 by 3500. Next, we will create the work area for the kitchen. The horizontal dimension is 3500 millimeters and the vertical dimension is 2800 millimeters. Near the work area, there is a storeroom and an outside toilet. The dimensions of the storeroom are 1500 by 1150 millimeters, and the dimensions of the toilet are 1500 by 1500 millimeters. There is also another toilet for the bedroom. The dimensions are 1800 by 1500 millimeters. The door opening for the toilet and storeroom is 800 millimeters. Near the dining hall, there is a wash basin area. The dimensions of the area are 150 by 2100 millimeters. The door to the bedroom is located in this area, and the door opening dimension is 1000 millimeters. Now that the ground floor plan is almost finished, we can create a layer for the wall. To create the layer, use the shortcut LA and enter the layer name. Label it as ground floor plan and change the color if desired. Now we need the basement. We can create a layer for the basement, label it as basement, and change the color if desired. Add a step. The step tread dimension is 250 millimeters. Plans are finished, but we still need to add doors, windows, and text to the plan. This will be created in the upcoming video. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Your support will help me create more videos for the channel. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.